Hello guys, and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Mampintsha hasn't been buried yet, and there has been rumors that his family has been denied access to his body. It has been reported by sources close to the family that Mampintsha's mother Zamanguni Gumete has been denied access to his body. Zamanguni allegedly went to Westville to see Mampintsha's body to be able to see if he really had died, but unfortunately she was not permitted to. According to a Facebook blog called Ezivutawo, Babes Woduma's sister Nondumiso Simelane is the one who has documents stipulating who can and cannot see Mampintsha's body, and as a result, Mampintsha's mother was denied. Mampintsha's sister Pinky revealed that they will not be involved in the funeral arrangement of Mampintsha. She told a popular publication, and this is what she told them. "We do not know what we have done wrong because we did not have arrangements with anyone. They are even denying Mampintsha's father access. My mother wants to see her son, and this has taken a toll on her health," Pinky allegedly said. Now there you have it guys. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching.